Welcome back. Now let us learn one of the very important concept in basic R, and that is data frame. You will be using data frame in almost all the projects you are working with, because data frame is one of the basic things, and people use it almost all kind of work you do. And so let us start. See, in case of a data frame, it is similar to the matrix, although it has a column name, and the operation of data frame is very straightforward. And let us learn it. So in line 56 is the way to define the data frame. So you have to use this function data frame, and this is the column name. First column name ID, values 1, 2, 3. Second column is name, values ABC. Salary 100, 200, 150. So I'm running line 56 and line 57 I'm printing it. So see this is the way it prints. Very nice way it prints. This is what the data frame really looks like. And it is a very straightforward and easy to work with data frame. Now if you want to see the column names of the data frame, so the command is any one of these. 60 and 61. If you see the 60, it is giving you this, and 61, so it can give you the both same. So you can use whichever you like. And I have seen, suppose if you want to make the if you want to make the column name in uppercase, then you can do like this. This is your column name. To upper is the command in R that make the string in uppercase, and this is vectorized. So what is the meaning of vectorized? That if you give a vector, it will make it uppercase for everything, and we are assigning back to the column name. So when I run the line 64, it has already done it. So how to see it? See, here we have three rows only. But it may happen practically if you have millions of rows. So you can see the head, and this is the way you can see the head. Line 65, head is the command, this is your object, and number of row you want to see. So I'm running line 65, so it will give you the 2 rows. And line 64, we have already converted the column name to uppercase. That is what you see over here. Okay, so if you want to see the dimension of the data frame, line 68 is the command dim. So it is saying 3 by 3, that is 3 row, 3 column, and str gives the structure. So I'm running the line 69 to show you. So it is giving the structure that 3 observations of 3 variables, that is 3 columns. First column name is ID, num, it is numeric type, and the sample data is like this. Second is the name, this is a factor with respect to ABC3, and salary is again numeric. And if you want to see the head I have shown you. Line 70, this is the head. And line 70 gives you the summary. If you see the summary, what it gives for each of the column, its ID is numeric, so it is giving the minimum, first quadrant, median, mean, third quadrant, maximum, and so on. And since name is your factor, so for name it has given the count, and salary is again numeric, so it has given the minimum, maximum, first quadrant, first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, mean, median, and so on. Okay, and I want you to get into detail of the data frame. So you can do like this. See the F1. So if you go this place, data frame, keep the cursor here and press F1. So as soon as you press the F1, it will show you the help over here. Then click this one, that's showing window. It will show you the big window. And there are a lot of the other features. Please read these features and try to do the experimentation. If you don't understand any one of this, let me know, I'll explain it again. And so this is the one class work for you. Till now, we have read the data frame and we have defined it over here. Practically, you may have to read the data frame from the CSV file. So we have kept one CSV file over here under data folder mpg.csv, and we are saying header equal to true. It means this CSV file is having header and separation comma. It knows the read.csv means definitely the comma, but just being explicit so that you know. So when I run the line 76, it is reading this file. It has already read. Line 77 is making the column name in uppercase. And how can you see the data? You can see the data in a multiple ways, but I'm just showing you one more way. Suppose you want to see this object, train. Select it and run it. Control Enter. So if you see that when it has run it, this is what it has printed. So this is data coming from the CSV file. This is what data it has printed. Now, this is a few classwork. In the read.csv, please do the F1 and see the documentations and see that if there are any more parameters which are useful and you would like to try with. And we have done a few things over here. If you see from here to here, okay. So this one we did with hard-coded data over here. Please do those activities using this train data as well. And when you do the summary, please interpret what is the meaning of summary. Will give you a lot of the data, lot of these things. Please interpret, and you have seen this few of these things I have already explained the statistics class. So what is the business interpretation you are able to get? So this become your class for these three. So please pause the video and do all these three classwork. Now let us move on. If you want to extract any data, and in R you know that any column or row starts with index 1, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So 84 we are trying to extract the row 1 and column MPG. So this is the way you extract, like this is the value. This can also be done a bit different way. So let us see. Line 85, when we have not given any row number, it means we want all row and column MPG. So it has given me all the row of column MPG. And 86 is also one of the way to extract the MPG column, all MPG column. This is also way. Okay. Now if you want to add a new column, then line 89 is one of the way. So what it does is, if this my column is %, it will update, otherwise it will create. So let us see whether it has created. Line 90, I'm running. You see this is the my column, it has created. Okay. And now if you do it, run it again, line 93, this time it will update because it was already there. So I'm running line 94 again just to show you. So this time it has made 222 everything. Initially it was 11, now it has made 22. Okay. And if you can delete in a multiple way, one way to assign the null. As soon as you assign the null, it gets deleted. So 997 get deleted. 98, let us see it again. You see this, my column is not %. Grep is the for searching, and gsub here is the sub for substitute, that is to replace something. So let us make a temporary column in 101, and so that we can practice grep and gsub. 101 we are making a temporary column named origin_temp, and what we are doing, we are trying to search the American. So if you see, this is the way. This is your search string, and this is the vector or the column in which you are trying to search. So let us see. First of all, let us see that what this is all about, our column. So I'm running only this much. So if you see, this is our origin, that American, Japanese, European, and so things are there. Now let us run the 102 all together. So if you see that wherever it has find it out American, it has given you the index, and rest you can figure it, you can print it. Okay. So this is the way you can find it out. Now we want to replace the American with American new. G for global, so it will do for everywhere, and this is the column where this all activity will take place. So 104, we are trying to replace American with American New. So it has been done. So let us see 105. See, all this American has become American New. Okay. Now this is the way you can do the search and replace. And so now let us delete our temporary column because we don't need any more. And string I is a dedicated library for doing a lot of the string related changes. I'll request you to study little bit of string I, and you will find there is a lot of these things, but few things I'll definitely explain. But string I is one of the library having a good number of string operations. And now line 111, this is the way you save your data frame. Write.csv is the command function. This is your data frame object, and this is the place where you want to save the file name. Row name is equal to false. That is it should not bring the row names. If you see, this is the row name. Let me show you. Yeah, if you see, can you see this 1 and 2? This is your row names. So that is not required. So 111, I'm running. It has done saved in the t.csv. So it will do the t.csv. This is the t.csv. And now let us have, suppose we have defined one response column MPG, and even for MPG database, MPG is a response column. So till now we have done all these things. If you see from this extraction point of view, from here, line 84 onwards, we have done using hard-coded column. Now you try to do this one using this variable. This variable is having MPG. So use this variable str response and do all this activity above. And so because this is how you are going to work. In the actual work you may not hard code. You will be working with a variable. So that is why please work with this. That's all for the data frame. And if you have any questions, please write it to the discussion board. I'll be happy to answer. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.